I'm inside the Tachiyomi app right now. Let's learn in this video how you can add the extensions to Tachiyomi. Go to home screen and launch any browser. You simply have to do a Google search for Otaku extensions. On doing that, you're going to click on the first link here from otaku.wiki, Mihon, Aniomi and Dantotsu extension repos. Scroll down here and this to manga section. We've got 4 extension repositories and the top and most favorite one is KUC, that is first one. Tap on install. It automatically installs the extension repo here. If you want to add the next one, go back to the website and you can install any one. For example, I'll install this Tachiyomi. 2 extension repositories have been added. If you go back, now you can go to browse and go to extension section. Refresh once here, scroll down and you'll get all the extensions here. You can install any one. Suppose this one here, tap on download button, install. We're gonna go up here, find the extension that we just installed. This one here, we had just installed this one. Tap here and trust. If you go up, it's here now. You can now go to sources and this is here. Now you can easily open this source. Go back to extensions. Let's install another extension. For example, Tachiyomi. Download here. Now if you go up, you'll find Tachiyomi here. Tap on this and trust. Go up. If you go to sources, it's here now. So that's how you can install the extension repositories and get the extensions or sources in Tachiyomi. Like this video and subscribe to this channel.